are joined today by Freshworks, the co-sponsor for this event, for today's webinar. We have a fantastic guest today who will talk to us about how we use artificial intelligence to improve service delivery in terms of obviously support tickets. Without ado, let's jump into today's topic, which is right-size ITSM and ITOM, that is IT Service Management and IT Operations Management for success using AI. And a recent multinational survey by IDG found that AI has become instrumental in service management. And I don't think that's necessarily a surprise if we consider the changes we've seen in the last while in terms of remote working and hybrid working. Supporting those calls alone has put a lot of extra pressure on IT teams. Secondly, there is the issue that IT environments are more complex today.
How do I improve growth, or how do I get growth within an organization? How do I keep businesses alive? Up until this point, what we have done to these agents is we have said, hey, give me access. But now we are upskilling them, we are empowering them to grow the business. Let's talk about what's happening in the market today. There is quite a lot of things that are happening in the market. But if I have to quickly summarize in three things, then will just tell me what is happening in three different ways. I would say things have evolved in the past 18 months or so dramatically. Now, IT is becoming more a strategic business partner. It has been becoming a strategic business partner over the years, but the last 18 or 20 months have catapulted IT as front and center, mainly because of the digital transformation or even accelerating the digital transformation. The second trend that we see in the market today is hyper-automation in the age of agility. What it means is by 2025, more than 20% of all products will be manufactured, packed, shipped, and delivered without being touched. Meaning the person who purchases the product will be the first person to touch it. The third important trend that we have seen is managing evolving workforces. Organizations typically have a wide array of employees, from a digital native who just grew up in an age of Uber, DoorDash, iPhones, apps, etc., to folks who are still learning about digital world. 80% of the managers who have been surveyed, they say modernizing ITSM and ITOM capability is really critical or very, very important. We know what the challenges are, and we know the demands within IT operations. And within this IT operations, when you talk about modernization, AI becomes front and center. Now, the next question is, hey, all right, you talk more about AI, but where do we actually use AI? $750 million will be overspent on buying unused features of ITSM tools. We take pride in three key narratives. One, to deliver an end-to-end consumer-grade end-user employee experience. And we want to empower employees and agents by automating tasks, by using AI, by making things intelligent. The third part is extensible. Every organization is unique in a unique way, which means is that you want to have a core set of narrative, core set of capabilities within a service management, but importantly, allow them to extend, allow them to customize if they want to integrate with third party.
It's very exciting to see artificial intelligence become this practical and accessible and really dealing with fundamental problems, mundane problems. You know, we always used to speak about getting guys away from keeping the lights off. And I swear they're doing it more and more than ever before. And we're finally getting those technologies and the access to those technologies to make that possible.